Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, we have another episode of Test That Tool. You guys have been enjoying these videos and that makes me super happy because I kind of want to switch it up on my channel. It's been kind of like boring me and I just been wanting to do different things, and with me not having all the timing, I feel like these are fun because they're raw and uncut, and I'm filming like at 10:30 at night, and it's like lighting is not so important as my craft with me's. It's just more kind of like playing around with some tools and trying to see what we figure out here. So you guys, today's tool is the banner punch board by We Are Memory Keepers. This is another bad boy that I've had for quite some time and never touched. So I kind of wanted to see how it works. It looks pretty simple. Directions look pretty easy, but so did the pom-pom one, and you guys saw how that went. But this supposedly says that we can make a pennant shape, a flag shape, and a crest shape banner. Those are the three shapes right there, and as you can see, the directions seem pretty self-explanatory. The only one that I kind of question that might look like a little weird is the crest shape, but I feel like I can figure out the rest. So let me show you guys what the tool looks like. It's massive, you guys. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that it's so big and it takes up a lot of space, and you know, as a crafter, space is what we need. We don't need to take up. So you do get this magnetic little closure here that I'm assuming holds your paper. Your little blade is right here, little tiny blade, and then we have this little gadget right here which punches the little holes on the edges of the banner so that we can hang it up. And yeah, so I seen that this one, they have the other colors that came out when they first came out, but a lot of my tools from We Are Memory Keepers are this minty green with the white, which I love. They look so girly and cute and I love it. So yeah, let's get on with making a banner. I cut up some pieces of paper because I don't want to make gigantic banners. I just want to test it out. So we're going to test out making a cute little pennant shape one. So it looks easy enough. Line it up where you want it. Let's just do it right there. We're gonna bring this down. I'm thinking, no, maybe we should bring it down here in this line. Yeah, maybe right here. And we can make an even smaller one. We're gonna take our little blade and we're gonna put it through this little pocket that's right here, and we're gonna roll it down. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. We're gonna roll it down and we should have our little pennant, oops, banner. Well, that looks easy enough. Let's see how the little holes work here. You flip it on the other side. You guys see what I'm doing? Yep, and there you go. There's your little holes to put your little twine, your ribbon, whatever you choose to do. So this is our first little banner style. Now we're gonna try out, let's see, the flag version. So the flag version, it basically says we put it up here, bring down the thingamajigger, and then we're going to, I guess, cut alongside again here, or no, we're gonna cut alongside here. So the blade has to be like this, right? Ooh, that didn't sound good. Wait a minute, you guys, something's not right. No, I think we do it this way. Is it this way? It says to bring it. I think I'm doing it wrong. I think you got to put the paper all the way to the top. And then you bring down the blade this way, and or did I do this wrong? Oh wait, I think I did do it wrong. It's this way. All right, I had cut it wrong at first, but this looks pretty cool. It's like a cool little mistake there. It's like a little double, you know, layer banner. But that's what the little, what's this one? The flag shape one looks like. Minus the little extra that I added to my banner. But that's what that looks like. Pretty cool. So now we have the pennant, the flag, and last but certainly not least is we're going to try, which looks weird because it looks like you have to put it through here to kind of get that shape. So we're gonna attempt it this way. And I guess put the blade this way, but that would make it well, I'm pretty sure I did it. I could have made it a little bigger, but we definitely still got the crest shape. And it looks like that. I don't know how clean it cuts, but it doesn't look too bad, you guys. And there you go. So this is not the hardest tool. I guess it's just knowing how to. My biggest problem here is like where to put the blade. It kind of I get confused, and I think I scratched up the board a little bit because I would get confused on where to put your blade. Your blade has to be on the outside, and then the little circle part on the inside. So I guess you just got to make sure that you do that, because it'll definitely let you know that you're doing it wrong because it scrapes against the board. But other than that, you guys, it's easy enough. This is the crest shape. We have the flag shape and the pennant shape. So yeah, you guys, that's the We Are Memory Keepers banner punch board. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you guys have this banner punch. Do you use it? Do you make banners with it? What tool do you want to see next? I know that some of you already commented you wanted to see the 1, 2, 3 board. I have that actually coming on its way to test it out. And I don't have the ABC, but I will get it. Let me know what punches you guys want to see punched out. Any particular dies. Any tool you guys want to see. Bring it on. Leave it down below. And I will make sure to get on that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. And thank you guys for being freaking amazing. Bye, guys.